Yesterday I started an order linear differential equation. In that I told if r of x is equal to 0, then homogeneous linear differential equation. If r of x non-zero, then non-homogeneous linear differential equation. And constant coefficient also we saw, variable coefficient also I told. So first we will see about constant coefficient homogeneous. So we have to find solutions by two ways. Auxiliary equation and complementary function CF, AE and CF. This is your BSc method only. 11 to, auxiliary equation, complementary function and all finding. So always we are writing our solutions are exponential form, correct? Any roots coming auxiliary root m equal to 2, 3, whatever, then solutions are exponential form we are writing. We are writing, okay, right. Y plus e power mx we will write, then we will get same equation, only d plus m replacement will happen. Exponential only will satisfy this differential equation always, because exponential first derivative m e power mx, second derivative m square e power mx, so nth time of derivative m power n e power mx, n minus 1th time derivative m power n minus 1 e power mx. Like that same equation we will get. For that auxiliary equation they are telling this p of m we will do 0. After that whatever m values will come, every m values we can write like that solution. E power mx will be the solution of given differential equation. And this is called a auxiliary equation. After that you have remember more rules are there, correct? Distinct roots, real root, complex root. So that and all I will write. This is antinomial will come. So roots also n roots will come. Then here whatever n roots, so n solution will come, but our solutions we are writing in linear combination form. Why writing linear combination form we will see later. when alpha plus minus I beta conjugate form, that time we are writing direct like this. Alpha x C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. So this how coming that I wrote here, because every solutions we have to write in exponential form only. So this form how coming in complex conjugate. So same exponential form only we are writing, but after solving this structure coming. So direct we used on BS MSc like that only when conjugate this direct e power alpha x cos beta x plus I sin beta x. Right. These are all particular cases and all. Your BSc also you saw maybe BSc MSc. Don't know how BSc MSc completing. Barandati, yeah, very good. Sometimes this and all asking, so can't skip also. But this is very easy. The MSc mastered in. Finished everybody? Some question I will give. Find and tell me answers. When r of x not equal to 0, then only particular integral can find. After that, the solution is CF plus PI. When r of x not equal to 0 given have, you have to find auxiliary equation. After that particular integral, after the complete solution is both addition. Okay. In auxiliary equation, I wrote every methods are solution we are writing in combination form. Correct. So why combination form writing, that and all one discussion is there. We will discuss. Okay. Their concept is there. So case first I wrote r of x is algebraic function. Means any polynomial type single variable polynomial x, x square, x plus x square, like that functions are. So binomial expression we will change. This is power minus 1, power 2, whatever we will take, and we will solve. When exponential have e power ax, then direct we will put d plus a. But if p of a not is no problem, equal to 0 means you have to means e power ax like that, right? This side, and every d places you have to replace d plus a. And again, one coming that is constant. So you have to use case first. When cos ax, sin ax have, then d square plus minus a square will come. Okay. And which whenever you will see d square minus a square, put and solve. And same upper side binomial expression and all have to do. When e power ax into any function given have phi of x means either case two functions cos ax, sin ax, or any algebraic function x, x square like that. Then you can do e power x like that, right? And d plus a replace. And after that phi of x is sin ax, cos ax, then case third use, or case first you can use algebraic function means. This is r of x, x phi of x. This is very rare using separate extra Cantel condition. So x into phi of x have, then x right direct this side, this p of d derivative do. After that phi of x whatever is there, phi of x means sin ax or sin cos ax or exponential. Exponential have means you can use this also. So mostly this coming phi of x plus cos ax sin ax mostly. If e power ax have means you can use this also. Okay. Just little try and we'll go next. Can solve, no? Anyone I will solve. Hmm?
Sir,
Just
can
little
you
to
please
two, three
read
question do
out the
and
second
homework.
one, sir?
Huh?
Sir, can you please read out the second one? It's y double dash plus 6y dash plus second one.
Which place?
Second one, sir.
Second.
Y
Y
double
double
dash.
dash plus 6y dash plus 9y. I don't know 9 how type I will write. I am writing this types. Student are sorry A this is. This type writing then can't understand. Always confusion. So if possible with particular integral some question you solve. That and all only auxiliary question will come. You try this question and I'll try this exponential or anyone try. 4 question try and come next. Four, 5 question to everybody. And not coming, then tell me, I will do. Can do, no, Nisha. Remember, have no. Anybody can't do, tell me. Purva will come, no. Trying. Otherwise, wait one I will do. Then otherwise, everybody will little confusion. This last I will do. Last time doing, huh? First, we will change in D form. So auxiliary equation first we will write. Two m square m value coming -1 and 1/2. So C complementary function will come like this. Particular integral. So cos AX have, so D square place, we will write this A minus A square, this -4. Okay. This 16 you write this type direct 2 into -2 square plus D -1. 4 8 D -8 -1 -9, like that come. You have to prepare always d square here, then only you can solve. So what d square how will come? We will rationalize upper and down. So d square minus 9 square again coming. D square plus again minus 2 square minus 9 square means 81 cos 2x. So we can write 16 by minus 4 and 81 85 minus 85 and d plus 9 cos 2x. So d plus 9 hereafter can solve. D cos 2x means derivative of cos 2x. So minus sin 2x into 2 plus 9 cos 2x. I have no place here. And this we can cancel. I think 16 cancellation will happen. No. 16, 5 into 80 coming. 85 won't come. Okay, leave it this. If cancellation is okay, otherwise no problem. Whatever derivative means answer your final minus 2 sin 2x plus 9 cos 2x into this plus CF. That is the answer. Okay. Yesterday question and all giving everybody solution did no. Yesterday question and all one question answer not come. Can send no to me. Send me. I will see. Every question which student solution not coming, send me. I think that binomial, what that Bernoulli equation in question. Bernoulli. Exact difference. Oh. Okay, send me, we'll see. You put something, no? C value, something writing in group. Any question you put? Amuda Ganesh. Answer. That C value cos inverse itself, right? No problem.
Sir?
Aha.
Sir?
Huh.
So actually, yesterday, myself only I kept that C is equal to cos inverse of.
Yeah,
2.
that itself you keep, no problem.
That itself we can keep it.
Yeah,
But
yeah, yeah.
Suppose
Like,
if suppose they'll ask any values regarding that, means how can I find the cos value, sir?
theta form, you are telling cos inverse
2
form.
divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 pi is came. So how can we find the value for cos there? Cos inverse of that value.
No need to find that itself keep.
Just we have to say that where it will be lie out. That enough, isn't it, sir?
Cos inverse itself you keep, no need to find any value.
Okay, sir. Okay.
They won't give any calculator to you.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
Gate exam means calculator also they are giving. So you can do by calculator. For you any problem? Okay, too. Coming answer, everybody. Question right at least. What happened? Second what? M value what coming? Where you solved it? Second, where is 4? This only, no? Y double dash. 4 writing. Question correct writing. Let's see first. Where is 4? Sleep coming. Sorry. Question also wrong. First question right, everybody. And 2-3 question try soon. You have to apply and C1, C2 constant value have to find. This is called a initial condition. Initial condition and boundary condition, you know. 1 minute. Initial condition, boundary condition, what? Boundary value problem, initial value problem. Listening, no? What is the difference between both? These both are initial value problem. How you will find initial value problem, boundary value problem? Eh? Y equal to what telling? Yeah. That I'm not telling. I'm telling initial value problem and boundary value problem. What is the definition? How you will know? How you will find this is initial, that is boundary? End point will be different. Will be given. Initial value problem, whatever condition they will give, at single point they will define. Boundary value problem, distinct point will define. Here, suppose y of a equal to b only. Either only one or Only one condition given have initial value problem, or if more than one given have, that also they will give at same point, in same single point boundary condition defining, then that is called an initial value problem. Understanding? Either single condition, if more than one condition means that point, same point will define. More than also have 2 y double dash of a equal to d, but at that a they won't leave for initial value problem. Boundary value problem must at least two condition want and distinct points they will define. Y of a equal to suppose a1, y of b equal to b1, a and b not equal, distinct condition they will define. Okay, this is the difference between initial value problem and boundary value problem. Here you can see at 0 only both condition defining, here also at 0 only both condition defining, so both are initial value problem. Hmm? Yeah, y of 0 equal to 2, then c1 equal to 2 came. Y dash of 0 3 dash, derivative is what? Derivative is this. Derivative is not correct. Here also have no plus. Okay, wait. Here 3 how will come? Here c2 will come. Derivative is wrong. U into v formula you use. Huh? Question everybody got? Okay, practice in your home. Not coming any question solution, anybody online, offline, any student, send me. Derivative is wrong. This writing? Okay, right. For you coming answer? Any problem now? Here after boundary condition you have to use. This initial condition given have because of you have to find the value of c1 and c2. y of 0 equal to 2 have. So by equation first, y of 0 means c1, this 0 1 0, c1 equal to 2, y dash 0 equal to 3 have. So y dash means this 0 means c2 will come, and minus 3 c1 2 came, c2 0 only. So c3 into 2 equal to 3, minus 6 9, c1 c2 9, c2 is 9, c1 c2 came, you put in there. So c1 plus 2, this is 9, so 9x e power minus 3x. Okay, so whatever condition given have, you apply and find that constant value. Finish that side. Hey, how much slowly writing? This much time writer. Your friend not writing. Sigrama, Sigrama. He's always slowly writing. Finished? Any problem? Confirm? Finished? Try question and all, not coming, then tell me. Okay. Hereafter, we will see variable coefficient. So variable coefficient also we have to change in constant coefficient. So variable coefficient place, no, like that we will use xd plus d1 x square d square plus d1 into d1 minus 1 x cube d cube plus d1 into d1 minus 1 into d1 minus 2. Like that we will use, and we will change in constant coefficient, and we can solve our same constant coefficient method. Which question I will solve? Last I will solve. Third number. Hmm? So this is variable coefficient x square. I am doing this d square 5xd plus 3 log x. Log x is equal to z that we can put. Understanding everybody? Is both question dot? Mind everybody later. We'll see variation of parameter question. This is very important. Variation of parameter structure is important. Structure they are asking. Solution not asking. So structure we will see by the help of question itself.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Eh?
Sir,
Oh, Jennifer, tell me.
sir, the last side, how come 1 by 3 into z minus 0 plus 4 into 1 by 3? That step alone, sir.
This is just a derivative. This z here after multiplication will do, no? D1 is
Yes,
square
sir.
means 2 time derivative.
Okay.
So this is constant, no? Here I used 1 plus x power n formula. 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 factorial 2x square like this. So you see degree. I told algebraic function case first, no? You see degree. Degree of z is only 1 half. So one first attempt is enough. 1 plus nx is enough. If z
Okay.
is square going on, then you go till third term. Z
Okay.
cube till third term, fourth term you go. So just 1 plus nx I used.
Okay.
Complete not reading in BSc time. This is very easy calculating. I neglected, but nobody is reading. So just z only one time apply because of 1 degree have. After the z multiplication inside d1 square means 2 time derivative of z. So one time derivative is 1, second time derivative is 0. And here 4 into 1 finish.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
And in particular integral, more places you will see 1 by d also. 1 by d means integration. D inverse. Derivative inverse is integration only. Okay. Practice do more. BSc time not doing, at least year after do, exam coming. Mostly variation of parameter using for two order differential equation only, not more than, only for two order. Finish that side. How to solve, you see. During this, whatever method will apply, that structure keep in mind. Sometimes that is structure only asking variation of parameter structure. So in variation of parameter structure, no, first auxiliary equation, whatever m value will come, two values will come. This is only for two order differential equation. Tan x, sec x, cosec x, like that mostly they will ask. So by this we are using C1, C2, no? So you use A and B hereafter. This is structure they will ask. How type is structure for y of x. Let A and B are function of x. And this is u of x, v of x. Then that their structure asking these two equation. A1u plus B1 v equal to 0 and A1u1 plus B1 v equal to V1. B1 V1 equal to R. R will be this, R of x. What is A1 B1? A1 B1 are derivative of A and B with respect to x respectively. So by the help of these two equations, you have to find the value of A and B and you have to put here. Same C of f and particular integral we get. But CF and particular integral we have to find by the help of variation of parameter. When subjective exam happening, that time they are writing find complementary function by variation of parameter. Okay. So how to solve this structure? Keep in mind. We will solve and we will find A1, B1, after that A and B. From equation 2, A1 equal to minus B1 sin x by cos x. Put in 3 minus A1. So B1
Sir,
Ah,
where u1 is the derivative of u1, sir.
what?
Here, a1u plus b1b is equal to 0, a1 u1 like that you have written now. Where u1 is the derivative of u1, sir. Because cos x you have derived as sin x.
U1 that is A1 U1.
Yes. Where
U1 B1 are derivative of U and B. A1 also. Wait. After this, right? Huh? U1 and B1 are derivative of U and B with respect to X, respectively. Both are U1 B1 also, U1 B1 also. You see, I'm writing derivative and writing equation. Cos x derivative is minus sin x derivative is cos x. So B1 sin x we got. So from B1 we can derive integration we will do. Then minus cos x plus C1. B we got. A1 we will find from here. Minus B1 is minus sin square x by cos x. We will do integration, then A equal to like that will come. Sin by cos 10, sin x will come now. Eh? Integration sec correct. Hmm? This minus don't give. Minus sin square x. Correct. So I have no place. This A value and B value we have to put in equation 1. CF and PI we can get. But this solution not asking nowadays, but structure they will ask. They will ask this equation. What is value of what is A and B notation? What is the formula for this variation of parameter equation? By this equation only we are getting structure. What is U? What is V? What is U1? What is V1? Like that they will ask. Solution they won't ask. Right? I have no place. You have to solve by variation of parameter this method only. CF you first write first. You will get CF and PI when A and B value you will put there. First you write. This is the solution. This will come CF. This will come PI, by variation of parameter. Okay. Like that, you have to solve. Structure, don't forget enough. From this question coming only structure. Understood? No. Two question gave, practice this. Mostly variation of parameter 10x only they are using. Two order 10x, very rare sec-x, cosec-x. Okay, very rare that. Still only question like that. Maybe your BSc, MSc, university exam and all sec, cosec asking. Variation of parameter, no any question. Only one time CSIR asked this is structure. And when subjective exam taking, that time always variation of parameter they are asked that time. So now no chance for us, but structure possibility. If solution asking, then this only way to order sec-x, cosec-x, this only variation of parameter way for finding solution. If solution asking, then hereafter what and all we will see no very important. First Wronskian we will discuss, and one question fix up. Wronskian must coming every time, every places, every exam. So Wronskian we will see first. Wronskian is verification for linearly independent or linearly dependent functions. Okay. Finished everybody? So whatever function given have 2 function, 3 function, 4 function, how many functions given have and going to verify functions are linearly independent or not. Still not writing about independent. So you have to use for Wronskian. So what is Wronskian? So Wronskian is one determinant of functions, but where functions are continuously derivative till n minus 1th times. Means first, suppose 2 functions is there, f1, f2. So first derivative existence will come, this will come. Second derivative existence are not guaranteed, but first derivative first class continuously will go, existence will come. So n function have, so till n minus 1th term. This will come n cross n matrix determinant form. Okay. If at least one function is not a derivative, then we can't verify by Wronskian. Wronskian does not exist. So we can't verify. Okay. Hereafter Wronskian concepts we will see. Very important, huh? Direct asking this Wronskian theories, direct. Either about Wronskian, we'll ask what is Wronskian, other Wronskian concept, what we are going to use. Interval, whatever domain given have, you can change. Which domain determinant not equal to 0 have, they are independent, or 0 have which domain, that is dependent. So domain is not a fix. Finished everybody? So Wronskian, if not equal to 0 on that domain, if and only if this is, all functions will be linearly independent. Second concept is very important. Sometime you will see Wronskian complete 0 on complete interval, whatever values you will put. But if at least one point, also if Wronskian 0 coming, means we will tell Wronskian is 0 on complete interval. Okay. And after that, that is the if and only if case, linearly dependent to each other. Okay. Very important. Second, I think 2 times asked. Wronskian if 0 at single point implies that Wronskian is 0 on whole domain. True or false statement? True statement. Okay. Question not coming is still that verify linearly independent or dependent. But this theory, direct this and I'll asking. Direct this two before that Wronskian definition that under. Okay. I'm writing some question. You verify. Domain yourself you can choose. Which domain 0 coming at least for 1 point or more than 1 point. You choose, huh? Domain I'm not giving because determinant what will come I don't know. Only function giving, domain you can choose. In this domain, determinant is not equal to 0. So in this domain, linearly independent. Or after that, which domain 0 comes, that is different. Then check it. This 4, check it independent or depend at which interval. What happened? Not coming. First question, 3 function given. Suppose f, g, h. Then first will come f, g, h. First derivative. After the second derivative. This determinant find. What coming? 2x. X.
2x cube.
2x cube.
Okay, you can prepare interval. Okay, on this interval, determinant not equal to 0 function f, g, h are linearly independent on both interval. Hey, what is this? I will throw mobile. 3 days continue coming. 1, 2, 3. Fourth, who is mobile will damage. I will throw outside. Sorry, yeah. Understood? You can prepare any interval. Suppose 0, this will finish now. W of x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0. So at which interval this 0 will contain? We can write. Suppose 0, any interval will contain, no? If here we will put close. Or R also can write. So this functions are linearly dependent. Finally, we can write one time also like this. Full domain you write this type. After that, f, g, h are linearly dependent on R. Understood? Full interval linearly dependent will come here after. So we will count our complete Wronskian is 0 on complete domain. Don't think that only 1.0 coming, how writing for all. This for all writing because this is completely dependent on R. Okay. Second, 2 functions cos x, sin x derivative, cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. Determinant. Minus, no? Minus 1, not equal to 0. Everywhere. For all R. W of x not equal to 0 on R. So both function f and g are linearly independent everywhere. Means any type of interval we'll choose. What happened? Third 4 can do. What coming? And everywhere. Third 4 also. Okay. Third also can solve. E power x, e power 2x, e power x, 2 into e power 2x. 2 into e to the power 3x minus e power 3x. So e power 3x and exponential always not equal to 0 for all x everywhere. So this also linearly independent everywhere. Last, any problem? Okay. This where will 0? X is equal to 0 then, no? So 0 at which interval will contain, no? On that interval Wronskian will be 0. Okay. So Wronskian x 0 will belongs here, no? Every interval, not only 0. We can write other interval also. This interval also can write 0 to infinity, 0 is close. Minus infinity to 0, 0 is close. Minus 1 to 1, 0 is here. So every this interval Wronskian full 0 will come because 0 containing there. After that, on that interval, linearly dependent, we will tell all function. Yeah, close means 0 containing there. No? If 0 is open means 0 is not there. Okay. 0 containing in the interval, if 0 belongs to D, any domain, then Wronskian on that domain. After that, linearly dependent function on that domain. Last, four number, W of X, 3 function F. So 3 cross 3 will happen. What is the first derivative of this? This only. Correct. What coming this determinant did or not anybody? 2e power 3x. This only. Oh. Then this also not equal to 0 everywhere. So linearly independent everywhere. Determinant everybody properly check it. Everybody finished? Here after Wronskian, we are using in homogeneous linear differential equation. Already I told you that auxiliary equation is there. So by auxiliary equation, whatever roots coming, we are writing solution, no direct combination form. Correct. Why writing this type? This we have to discuss. Here, whatever m value have, degree of p of m is 2, then two roots must will come. Either repetition, distinct, n order linear differential equation. So p of m degree will be n and roots will come either distinct roots or repetition. Okay. So when distinct roots coming, then two solution is there. If m repetition is there, either 2 repetition, 3 repetition, 3 solution will be there. Suppose complex conjugate, leave it now. So here 1, 1, 1, 3 times have, then e power x, e power x, e power x possibility for solution. But we are writing like that. Correct? Means we are writing combination form like this. How many repetition this x is increasing, x square till n minus 1th term will go. Correct? So why writing this with multiplication increasing? So when we have n order linear differential equation, so n solution we will get. That n we are writing in combination form. So why writing combination form? That is the first question. N solution whatever we are getting, that solutions are always we want linearly independent solution. Always we want like that well defined is there. We want n solutions are linearly independent. Now we discussed some functions are linearly independent on which domain we discussed. But whatever our theories are there or whatever question they will give, in that question we are direct writing like that solution. No, we are not verification doing that e power 2x and e power 3x is linearly independent or not. If not linearly independent solution, then we can't write this combination form. We can't write. So whatever n order linear differential equation have, by that n solution, whatever solution we are getting, n solution must be linearly independent, well defined have. If you want to verify, you can change your interval. That is different. Well defined meaning whatever interval we are direct, we write solution. No? How we are writing direct solution? Means this is well defined have. Whatever m value coming, C1 into this, C2 into this, we are writing. Finish. Means that is well defined have. If a linearly independent solution is not any one, means we can't write. This is not a solution. We can't write. So whatever interval they are giving have, in that interval well defined have, your n solutions are independent. Then only we are writing like this. Okay, but we can verify. Well defined they are giving, but we can verify whatever solutions coming, that solutions is linearly independent at which interval, by the help of Wronskian. Okay. Next, when we had distinct roots, so e power 2x and e power 3x coming. Just now we solved this product determinant always will be not equal to 0 will come, because e power form only will come any determinant, and exponential is always non-zero. But when repetition have 1, 1, 1, then e power x, e power x, e power x. 3 times will come. Suppose I won't write this, separate only I will write that C1 e power x plus C2 e power x plus C3 e power x. Suppose this is the solution. Why writing like this? How here have? Like that here. But we can't write like this solution. Why we can't write? Because when we have repetition, can see. When we have repetition, that time e power x 3 times will come. And when functions are repetitions have, then that functions are not independent. That functions are dependent function. We saw in matrix theory also, no, independent dependent vectors. Vectors are repetitions are there, must be dependent therefore. Vectors are elements are dependent. Trivial also counting, non-trivial also counting. So when this type repetition have, then 3 functions will come. This 3 function must be dependent. Independent not. So we can't write like this solution. So for making linearly independent solution, we are multiplication doing. First, as a whatever have same type 1 function will come. Second, we will count with x. Third, we will count with x square. After that, this 3 function must linearly independent will come on well-defined interval. Well-defined word, why I am using? Because this is possibility for dependent also on some interval. But in differential equation, direct by auxiliary equation, whatever solution we are writing, that is linear combination form writing. And linear combination form, when we can write, when solution must be independent. So direct, when I am writing like this solution, C1 plus x, C2 plus x square, C3 into e power x, means that solutions are linearly independent solution on well-defined interval, whatever they will give. If you want to know what is that well-defined interval, then you can find that interval. That interval only they will give. If they are giving some interval, well-defined interval not given have, then you have to define must. Because now we are going to write CSIR exam. We are not going to write BSc MSc exam. They will write this solution, we can write or not on this interval. If our on that interval solutions are linearly independent, then only linear combination solution we can write, otherwise not write. Everywhere not independent. E power x, x e power x, x square e power x, everywhere independent, we can't give guarantee. Always. Now like that one question we solve. You told 2 e power 3x or something coming. That is everywhere independent. But maybe another any function changes coming. Suppose 4 time repetition. Then maybe any sometime determinant like that also possible, no coming. Possibility. So in this 0, this will fail. So maybe CSIR will ask with you that if 3 solutions are given, have x e power x, or 2 solution x, one solution, one suppose the e power x and e power x, e power x. These 2 solutions are, we can write linear combination form, no problem. Okay. But this solution for which interval applicable? Which interval? So you have to check. These are independent. Which interval? On that interval, this well-defined possibility, and on that interval, this solution linear combination solution. Well, not everywhere. Well-defined we did on BSc MSc. Whatever can direct linear combination. That time we don't know this much interval and so we'll define. Okay. But now theories exam we are going to write, CSIR exam we are going to write, all competitive exam we are going to write. This is a solution belongs to which domain? Not everywhere. So you have to at which domain this is independent. Wronskian is not equal to. On that domain only this solution possible. Otherwise no. Okay. No doubts. So now I am going to apply Wronskian in an order linear differential. If we have an order, and this is possible only for homogeneous case. Wronskian we can apply that n solution, n order. Non-homogeneous means particular integral also coming. That don't count. So n order homogeneous linear differential equation will give n solution. That n solution Wronskian if not equal to 0 in domain D, then that n solution is linearly independent on the domain D. Then we can write linear combination solution. Okay. Wait. So whenever repetition coming, we are multiplication x square like that. What is reason? Only for making linearly independent. Okay. An order homogeneous linear differential equation, either constant coefficient or variable coefficient, both places, and solution will come. finished. So whatever solution you will get n solution, that solution well defined only have, but we will verify. We can't tell everywhere independent. We can't tell like that. So by this n solution also will be linearly independent on domain D, when Wronskian will be non-zero on that domain. When n independent solutions will be linearly independent, by this we can generate vector space. Vector space is still not teaching in weekend batch. Okay, little bit, you know, we will discuss in linear algebra also. So when any n independent solutions is there, by that vector subspace we can generate v of f, and that generating means by this linear combination. See constants from any field, whatever field, real, complex, anything. Domain must be subset of real, but field anything we can use. Now this is a vector space generating a solution. C1, C2, anything arbitrary solution, arbitrary variables, constant. So this will generate one vector space, and for this reason, whatever solution we are writing C1, C2 form, no, that is our generalized solution we are writing. Linear combination solution. If linearly independent solution not have, then we can't write this solution. We can't write in linear combination. So how many solutions are linearly independent? By that only we can write. Otherwise, no. And how many means one? N order differential equation means n solution linearly independent one. Otherwise, interval we have to change. So when independent solution getting means linear combination solution, whatever writing, that is we are writing solution space. So P of f is a solution space of given n order linear differential equation, homogeneous linear differential equation, either with constant coefficient or variable coefficient. Okay. And this whatever linearly independent solution will come, that will be the basis set. Basis set of this vector space linearly independent solution. In differential equation, they are telling fundamental set of solution. They won't tell basis set. This basis set I am telling by the help of vector space concept, linear algebra concept. We will see in weekend batch, we will see in linear algebra. Huh? Don't worry. As a differential equation, they will tell for this differential equation, write fundamental set of solution. So whatever linearly independent solutions have, that and all fundamental set of solution. Okay. Very, very important. Very important. Dimension and all they will ask. We will see this in linear algebra. Dimension means just basis set of cardinality. Of cardinality of basis set of E of f. Means all linearly independent solution. Okay. So we can tell this is n-dimensional solution space of given n order homogeneous linear differential equation with constant variable coefficient. Okay. last Wronskian one formula based, Abel's formula is there. On that based one question fix up. GATE exam, CSIR exam, IIT JAM exam, direct one question fix. That we will see. Very important, these theories are must coming hereafter. Whatever we'll teach now, very, very important. Question must will come from Wronskian. 2 question minimum. So hereafter what we will see, very, very important. Before that, neglecting also no problem. Wronskian, this formula, no direct, they are asking sometime, what is the Wronskian value? This formula, Abel's formula. They will ask direct. But mostly they are asking this type question, and they will tell find W of x at x is equal to pi by 4. This will come x1. X0, they are defining this y0. So W of x0, same, this is arbitrary constant. C value will come W of x0. And when x0, x1, they will define, then integration limit also x0 to x1 will happen. And W of x0, find this. This already we did find, and here put an integration to an answer. Find everybody. Came or not? E 3. Don't answer, we'll check it. W of 0 is what? Y1 0, Y2 0, Y1 dash 0, Y2 dash 0. 2 root 2 plus root 2. 3 root 2 coming. We'll put there. W of pi by 4. W of 0 is 3 root 2. 0 to 0 to pi by 4 minus a1x. No, sin x, no. Cos x. Log cos x. So 3 root 2 e power log cos x. 0 to pi by 4. Log cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4. 1 by root 2. Means log 1 by root 2. Cos 0 is 1. Log 1 is 0. So finish. Okay. 3 only. 3 root 2. E and log both are inverse to each other. 3 is correct answer. But came. Everybody came. Okay. So like that one question fix a must. Every exam CSIR JAM must asking. Must get exam. Like that if you want question only this type question, then you go get exam book. CSIR nowadays asking, I think last 2 time, 3 time asked, IIT JAM only 1 time asked, but get exam every test paper you will see one question from here. So if you want more number of question, then get question paper, either download or purchase. Every year you will see one question. Only same to same. Also they will give y of this at W of x naught, they are defining like this. So very easy. But this is CSIR question only. This is CSIR. I think 20 or 21 came. Finished. Finished. So Sturm Liouvllies problem, very important, very important. Question fix have from here. Direct question. And question very rare they are asking solution. Theoretical they will ask, solution also if we will ask means related theories, not direct solution. So Sturm Liouvllies problem, this is the just structure I am giving. Standard structure. And this is only possibility two order differential equation. If you will product derivative, if you will do means two order differential equation this is. And any place you will see lambda attached is there, lambda y. Okay. If suppose don't like this, no need to read. No need to keep in mind because sometimes looking itself here coming. This much big equation, this that don't read. No problem. Huh? But this keep in mind. These theories are important. This is not important. This structure you are keeping in your mind or not. Just you keep in mind Sturm Liouvllies problem only for two order differential equation, and in differential equation lambda will attach d square plus lambda y like that will attach this lambda one. If lambda you will see in differential equation, two order differential equation, that is Sturm Liouvllies problem. So Sturm Liouvllies problem, this lambda will give eigen values and solution is called eigen function or characteristic values, characteristic function. Okay, that keep in mind. So whatever eigen values you will get, that eigen values sequence form you will get, generalized eigen value. Your matrix type not that 1, 2, 3 eigen value like that, not like that. Generalized you will get as sequence form, monotonic increasing sequence form you will get, and corresponding lambda and whatever solution you will get, that solution also generalized solution will come, and that solution is called a eigen function, characteristic function corresponding characteristic value. Okay, they are asking, they will ask in option eigen values are in monotonic increasing or monotonic decreasing form. So always will come monotonic increasing sequence form. Eigen functions are or solution, they will give solution. Solution is called a eigen function of corresponding eigen value. This type theories they will ask. Next theory is important theory they will ask. Whatever our eigen function coming, that is the orthogonal eigen functions. Orthonormal. Orthonormal. And when orthonormal have, then orthogonal also will happen. I am giving orthonormal. They will give in option eigen functions are orthogonal. Then tick out. Every orthonormals are orthogonal. Converse is not true. In algebra we are seeing no matrix theory. Two vectors are inner product and all. Zero means orthogonal vector. Norm is one means unit vector. So like that in function, if two functions, if you want f of x and g of x, two functions are both are orthogonal to each other. So their integration 0 have to come. This only here writing. This function we are going to verify orthonormal. Means a distinct eigen function you will take, integration you will do, then 0 have to come. Same if you will integrate separate, whatever function is there, distinct doing means 0. So both are orthogonal. If same function integration you will do, integration f into f dx, one coming means orthonormal. Okay, both have to come same. G into G dx is equal to 1. So orthonormal function, if you are going to verify any two function, so their integration will be 0 and separate integration 1. So that both are orthonormal function. If one not coming, if this is not possible, only 0 coming, then only we can tell f and g both are orthogonal function. Okay, so whatever our eigenfunction coming telling orthonormal function. Orthonormal also, if orthonormal means orthogonal, automatic will satisfy. And when orthonormal function, orthogonal function we are discussing, then linearly independent function also that is. If linearly independent not, that's orthonormal, orthogonal not possible. Okay, so they will ask eigenfunctions are orthonormal or not, orthogonal or not on closed interval AB. Interval only possible closed interval AB, not any interval. Because in this interval only boundary condition will define. They won't give interval also, you have to catch your interval by boundary condition. They will give y of 0 is equal to anything 1 and y of 1 equal to 2. So your interval is closed interval 0, 1. They won't define interval. You have to choose what is our interval. So by given condition, whatever condition they will give, that condition is our closed interval AB. You have to catch like this. Understood? So from here, they will ask in option, eigenfunctions are orthonormal or not, orthogonal or not. And when orthonormal, orthogonal asking, linearly independent must will happen. So eigenfunctions are linearly independent. And whatever eigenvalues will come, always real. Sturm Liouvllies problems, eigen sequence, monotonic increasing sequence, this is real sequence. Okay, eigenvalues are always real. Understood? So any question they will give, first they will ask orthonormal, orthogonal, linearly independent, are monotonic increasing or decreasing. Okay, so these are possibilities for asking. I'm giving that time. Okay, after lunch, question I am writing. Lunch take 5-10 minutes lunch enough or 15 minutes, 20 minutes. After that, try. Then after lunch, we will discuss. Okay. If you are feeling lunch will disturb, then find solution after the lunch take. Weekend batch matrix and all is still not going on, matrix and linear. Okay, we will see in April. Here I will finish after that.
then it is it u double dash plus lambda u? That equation.
Huh?
U double dash, sir.
U double dash plus
Plus
lambda u
lambda u. Okay,
equal to
sir.
0.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Lunch take, after that find solution, tell me. After lunch, more time pass doing, I'm seeing sometime. So find solution. Okay, after lunch.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, lunch taken everybody, online student, try. Don't wait for me.